I have a Timex oral thermometer and I need a new battery. I have not found a dealer to buy the replacement for it.
I will be glad to help you find an answer. Please give me a minute to research your question. Do you have the model number? What happens now? Your chat has ended, but you can still work with your expert to get an answer to your question if you have not yet received one. Come back to this page at any time to see additional information from your expert. You will also receive an email when your question is updated. If you want to send a message to your expert, use the box below. Model number of the thermometer? Basically, there are two options. 1. You can replace the existing battery. If you provided me thermometer model number, I can help you research the type of battery required. Or you can take out the battery and take it to an establishment that sells batteries, for example, Radio Shack, Battery Joe, etc., and try to match it. Second, since digital thermometers are relatively inexpensive, you may wish to use this as an opportunity to upgrade to another. Actually, this might be the better of the two options. If the model is old, the thermometer battery may not be the only issue, for example, the electronics. Providing you have the AccuCurve model, the instruction manual is attached. http://www.safehomeproducts.com/shp2/data/manuals/800002_80006.pdf. This model uses a G9A battery or replacement. Battery Plus advertises this battery as being available. The link is http://www.batteriesplus.com/search.asps. Search term equals G9A and http://www.batteries+.com/product_search/458873994 silver oxide watch battery SMC394.asps. I hope that I have answered your question to your satisfaction. If I have, I would very much appreciate your accepting the response provided. Bonuses are always appreciated. If you have anything else you would like to ask prior to accepting, I would be more than happy to answer.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.